So let's go check out these natural springs I got over here. I seen a sign for it.
VagaBondVito.
Alright, so I'm trying to find these natural springs. I don't see no signs, but I do see some stairs, so hopefully it's over here. You know, let me go down a little further and see if there's more here. I can always backtrack, right? Let's go! Alright, so I'm back and tracking to those stairs. That's gotta be where I wanna be. Let's see where these stairs go. Alright, so I'm only filming the way down, but the way up is gonna be brutal. Lots of stairs here, so beware. Tonka Spring, I made it. Wish I could take a little dip. Okay, let's go a little further down here and see what we got. See if there's anything worth filming while I still got a little bit of sunlight. Don't forget to stretch. So that's a wrap.
VagaBondVito.